Hello my friends, I'm Clover, this is the Gas Channel, and today we're solving Dewey Decimal by Philip Newman. So this Sudoku looks a little bit more intimidating than it really is. It is a position indexer Sudoku, so we have normal Sudoku rules, so we're placing the digits 1 through 9, once each in each row, each column, and each outlined 3x3 region. Now in a Sudoku, conventionally the boxes in the grid and also the different cells in each box are numbered left to right, top to bottom in reading order. So if you talk about box 1, it's always the top left, box 2, box 3, box 4, box 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and so on. And similarly, if we were just to look at box 2, this would be position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, top to bottom, left to right in reading order. And a position indexer Sudoku tells us that if a digit is in a certain position, so for instance, the 2 here is in position 5, then the 5 also has to be in position 2. The 3 is in position 9, so the 9 is in position 3. And we're just going to fill in the ones that we were already basically given first. 4 is in position 9, so 9 is in position 4. 3 is in position 4, so 4 is in position 3, and it helps me to just literally go through and just say these out loud one by one as I'm solving them. We're not going for speed today. We're gonna collect our single party hat probably and be delighted about it. 9 is in position 2, so 2 is in position 9. 8 is in position 4, so 4 is in position 8. 4 is in 1, so 1 is in 4. 6 is in 9, so 9 is in 6. And you notice I'm skipping some of them. The ones that I'm skipping are the ones where the number is already in its own position. So 5 here is in position 5, so there's nothing to swap. 1 is in 8, so 8 is in 1. 2 is in 6, so 6 is in 2. 7 is in 6, so 6 is in 7. And 8 is already in 8. 6 is in 1, so 1 is in 6. 7 is in 1, so 1 is in 7. 8 is in 5, so 5 is in 8. Now we're going to do a little bit of Sudoku to see how far we can get before we have to go back to working on those positions again. So in this region, we need 2, 3, 7, and 8. That can't be an 8. And that can't be a 2. Here we're going to need 4, 6, 7, and 8. 8s can't be in any of these cells by Sudoku, so we actually have a hidden 8 here. And we have a hidden 6 here. And a 7 and a 4. And sure enough, 6 is in position 8, and 8 is in position 6, and so on. So the rule is still working as intended. Let's check out the symmetrical deductions here. 2 can't go in those cells by Sudoku, so there will be a 2 there, a 4 there, and a 3 and a 6. And over here, maybe, we know we have an 8 in one of those cells. We know we have a 2 in one of those cells. These cells are going to be 1, 5, 6, and 7, so that's a 7. It's going to be a 5, that's a 1, and that's a 6. These are going to be 5, 6, 8, and 9. Those can't be 6 because there's a 6 in the row. That can't be an 8, that can't be 5 or 8. Okay, that's all taken care of. And these are going to be 3, 7, and 8. Now, let's do the symmetrical box here, because I think this is turning out to be a really symmetrical puzzle. So, what do we still need? So, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. So that can't be 3 or 4. Those can't be 1, that can't be 4, those can't be 5 or 9 or 4. And that can't be a 3, a 1, a 5, a 9, or a 2. So that's going to be a 4. That definitely has to be 4. So these are going to be 2, 3, 7, and 2, 3, and 7. That's not a 2. And this is now a 3, 7, 8 triple, making this a 5. That can't be 2 or 5, that can't be 1 or 2, so that's 3 and 9. And this is now going to be a 1, and this digit is going to be a 7 to finish the column, and to finish this column we're going to need a 3, and then these are going to be 4 and 6. The 2 makes that a 5, and these 3 digits are going to be 1, 3, and 5, okay. And these 3 digits are going to be 5, 7, and 9. Those can't be 9, so there is a 9. And finally, this is going to be a 4, and then we need to place an 8 and a 9 here, which resolve. So now we're going to need to return to using that position indexer rule. So here we have a 3 in position 5, so we're going to place a 5 in position 3. And we're also going to get a 7 in position 5 here, so that would be a 5 in position 7 symmetrically. Here we have well, these are positions 2 and 3, and these are positions 7 and 8, so we can't quite do those yet. Okay, we have a 1 in position 8, so we get an 8 in position 1. And we have a 2 in position 7, so we have a 7 in position 2. And that should be enough to crack it, although of course you could definitely keep going using that rule instead of using Sudoku to solve. It's just up to what your taste is. Hope you enjoyed that one. I've been Clover, and if you want to check this puzzle out yourself, the link to do so is in the description below this video, and I will see you again 3 days from now. Bye-bye.